We're going on a boat trip. I'm in Yilan right now with a few friends. We're celebrating a friend's bridesmaids party. It took us so long to find the restaurant. Let me show you where the restaurant is. This hidden gem is tucked away in the middle of a rice field and down in the basement of this building. Stepping inside feels like entering your grandma's cozy dining room, warm, nostalgic, and full of character. The chef served us a beautifully arranged plate of traditional Yilan dishes, giving us a taste of what a typical home-cooked meal looks like for locals here.
面包的中间那个豆包一起吃，对，然后加香菜，然后沾那个酱，吃 potato leaf 是一样，然后这个是13香红烧肉，哦，有一个香肉，13香是怎么讲？13香。
The spread included a cold starter with some organ meats featuring pork intestine, fried tofu, and liver. Liver is like a superfood loaded with vitamins and iron, super good for your energy. And here we have 13香红烧猪肉, 13-spice red yeast pork. This pork is marinated in fermented red yeast. Back in the day, was used as a natural preservative for its antioxidant properties, and seasoned with the chef's 13-spice for a crunchy, flavorful texture. Along with some classics like fu pi jian, tofu skin rolls, sogonghua ziwan, handmade squid bowls, Taiwan xiangtang, Taiwanese sausage, and meigan koro, braised pork with preserved mustard greens. This dish is believed to have originated from the Hakka people, where my mom's side of family is actually from. It's a celebration dish my grandma would always make for family gatherings. The rich pork and tangy preserved mustard green create the perfect flavor combination. And lastly, we have a comforting bowl of Yilan Xifan, Yilan-style porridge. It's cooked with fresh and local ingredients, creating a simple yet flavorful dish that feels like a warm hug in every bite. And for dessert, the chef brought out some homemade rice cake. The one on the left is ginyak gui, a very traditional Taiwanese snack passed down through generations of Taiwanese grandmas. It's really rare to see it around anymore. Made from glutinous rice and alkaline water and is served with a brown sugar syrup. On the right, we have a black and white rice cake. The black side is a sweet brown sugar flavor, while the white side offers a savory rice taste. My Hakka grandma used to make these rice cake, and it's bringing me back to one of my favorite childhood memories. I'm really happy that hidden gems like this still exist, serving traditional local dishes that carry so much history and culture through food. These recipes has been passed down by our elders, and I'm so glad the owner has decided to preserve our precious traditions through these amazing dishes. I highly recommend this place. It's called Afang Xianzhou. And our next stop was the stunning tea house, where each tea room has its own unique vibe and character, paired with a calming view overlooking the rice fields. To start the tea ceremony, the first step is warming the teapot. This helps ensure the tea brews evenly and brings out its full aroma and flavor. As Nikko Hill Tea House says, tea is more than a drink. It's an art and a reflection of life. The boiling water signifies time, the furling leaves reveal nature's beauty, and each cup carries moments and memories, teaching us patience and inner peace. Hey guys! Right now, we are parked somewhere in Yilan and my friends are going to get a very popular scallion pancake. So let me bring you guys with me. Okay, let me take you with me. Yeah. Yilan is renowned for its premium scallion and its must-try scallion pancakes. Just look at that insane long line around the corner. We didn't end up getting it, but we decided to check out a very popular snack next door, 花生卷冰淇淋 peanut ice cream roll. Filled with taro ice cream, freshly ground peanut candy powder, and an optional sprinkle of cilantro.
Bruh.
Look at this perfect bite cross-section with this beautiful touch of cilantro. The sweet and savory combination wrapped with the chewy spring roll wrapper, it's easily one of my favorite desserts.
Is it good?
After a full day of activities, we're all starving, so we came to the sushi spot known for serving the biggest pieces of sashimi ever. Morning, guys. It's 3:28. We're gonna go see the sunset. Let's go.
I have my GoPro.
We're going on a boat trip. Gonna go see the sunrise.
So the wave is really big.
As we approached the Turtle Island, we saw the famous Milky Sea, which is caused by the active sulfur spring flowing from the seabed of Turtle Island and mixing with the sea water.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Dive, just try to be as straight as you can. Try to go, girl. Oh, pretty much. Make sure your feet are together.
Okay, I'm scared.
Wait, guys, you push me. Okay, push.
After traveling to so many countries, there's just something special about Taiwan. I'm so grateful to call this beautiful place home and to meet new friends and reconnect with old ones on this trip. I'm so happy to find time to play like kids again. Taiwan #1! Yeah!
花一朵，捡到一3钱。